In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo on Strava. Whether you're an avid cyclist, a runner, or simply someone who enjoys outdoor activities, sharing your journey on Strava can be an exciting way to connect with friends and showcase your achievements. So let's walk through the steps of how you can easily add a personal touch to your Strava activity by including a photo. First, you'll want to grab your phone and open up the Strava app. Once there, navigate to the specific activity you want to enhance with a photo. This could be a recent run, a cycling trip, or any other event you've logged on the app. Finding the right activity is the foundation of this process, as you'll be building on that existing log. Once you've selected the activity, tap on it to reveal more details. You should see an interface with all sorts of data, like distance covered, time, and maybe even a map of your route. Near the top right corner, you'll notice 3 small dots. This is your gateway to enhancing your activity post. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots. It will bring up a menu of additional options. Now from this menu, you'll want to select Add Media. Doing so will prompt your phone to open the gallery, making all your saved images available for selection. Here, take a moment to scroll through your photos and choose the one that best represents your activity. Perhaps it's a scenic view from your route, a post-workout selfie, or any picture that captures the essence of your adventure. After picking your desired photo, tap Add. This action is crucial as it attaches the image to your activity log, making it visible to anyone who views your profile. With your photo now a part of your Strava post, you may also want to tweak other details to personalize your entry further. You can add a description, fun emojis, or maybe tag friends who are with you. Enhancing your activity details not only adds a personal touch, but also provides more context for friends who'll see the update in their feeds. Finally, to ensure all your efforts are saved, tap Update Activity. This confirmation step will lock in all the changes you've just made, including your photo addition. And there you have it, you've successfully added a photo to your Strava activity, ready to share your story with your Strava community. Adding photos to your post helps bring your activities to life, offering a visual story alongside the stats and maps. This easy to follow method ensures your experiences are as memorable for your audience as they were for you. Thanks for watching, and happy adventures on Strava.